Hi, GP. GP wants to join our short video. So guys, we are ready for today. We're going to distribute it today, Tuesday, July 23rd. And as you can see, this is our school supplies. We have bond papers, we have papers, we have notebooks, bundle of notebooks. We have 2 boxes of crayons, and we have 2 boxes of erasers. We have also a sharpener. Yeah, and we have scissors. We have scissors and ball pens. We have a lot of ball pens, guys, and also crayons. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.